Welcome guys, welcome to one of more of our vlogs and welcome. My name is Kevin, big guy there at Spanish Bridge. Also you have Al Wayne, strong guy, always pick up ladies them. And you have the bad diver, Dwayne. You don't know, we call him Greg, Dwayne, but you don't know, so stay tuned, watch the whole of video, cause right now I'm about to clean up the place and make it look very pretty so you guys can come and have some fun. But right now, the morning duty we always have, rake up, clean up, all of those stuff, it is what I'm gonna do now, so stay tuned and watch.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so I gotta rake up over here, so my part is right here, come right up, so I rake off there, so and then rake up over up here, so you don't know. But I don't have something this thick, what I call a tripod, so I can set down my phone and those things. I'm just waiting on the shipment, so guys, just bear with me. Those things I'm just clean up in the morning, and then look at that beautiful water. Alright guys, we just done finish up break up. So the next thing for me to do, is to show you when the people them come in. I always like, I think I done rake up, like a little fire there, so clean up the whole place. Look at the nice view. Yeah, nice crystal clear water, Nice crystal clear water. Yeah, peeps. You don't know famous bridge, famous rope. What you mean? Nice nature stuff. So, I'll soon in a couple seconds with everything. That's me. So we say we are go cook some chicken foot, pumpkin here, so, and all these things Irish. Oh, this is our hot pepper, scotch bonnet and some bean. You see it? So the roaster no go, so we are clean up them thing here now. That's it. Alright guys, we just done. Clean up the chicken foot then. You see me? Done clean up the chicken foot then. Just done. So time for clean up them. I'm gonna drop them in iPad. No iPad the one I don't know. Clean up the one more. Clean up the one I look more. Not like that one. But the other rest ain't clean better. But get them thing sort out. Clean up them. And so I go on. Cut up the vegetable them. But there I go and clean up the Irish them. Is it? Clean up some Irish. Some more Irish now clean up them. And then cut them up. Drop in the soup pot. So mating season, so we can't catch no shrimp. Mating season for them, and they have a lot of egg on them, so we can't catch none of the shrimp them, none. So we have to just left them, make them go on. Is it? Then go and drop them egg, Yeah. Clean up them, fast and quick and fast, proper too. And cut them up and put them in the soup pot. So right now, we're heading on to the Irish them, Cut up the Irish them. Because you know, soup pot there, is it? Yeah. Slice them in, and then I just bust them so now. slice it. So you just open up right pretty and nice. Then you like this one, oops, slice it now. And slice them again. Slice them in a two. What's it? So, then I walk, you know, this in a half. Yeah. More Irish there. Some more. Need more Irishness in there. Come closer, Ali. Come in closer. And then can see slice. Hold it nice now. Bust it. So, open up nice. So we have the pepper them now. Pepper. So just really bossy pepper. Really bossy pepper. Because I don't know I want it hot. Hot. I don't know. Alright, what else we have left now? So what's what going in the pot? Oh, bubble up, man. Yeah, man. You steam off it. Bubble, man. Chicken foot in there, is it? Yeah, man. Chicken foot in there. Right now, guys, we're going to drop in the pumpkin in the pot. In the pot. So you can go on. Deal with it, you know? So you get the color and get that orange color. Just add some more in here. I tell you, say no short enough. I need up the flour. Go drop in the pot. You say no short enough. Alright, here, man. Behave yourself right here now. Eh? Yes, don't we have nothing. Dirty boy. Yeah, woman, I'm born out there. Young boy don't get such good. When? Look how long have you got to look for you, man?
Don't worry about that, watch me. Tell me nobody now go.
Alright. So, I need up a floor. Come in, Uncle Alvin, because show them how a floor I need up. Well, good. Sure. With the pan black, you see it? And we are roller. You see it? Alright. Look at water pan one. Little bit. Look a bit more. Yeah. See that? Well, ready if we go in at the pot and make. See? Come in close and show them how go on. Yeah, man, I make one well tight. That's it. Right. So, I know someone to make dumpling different, you know. But me just go like this. Put it in, turn it in, turn it in, turn it in, turn it in like this. And when I turn it in like this, see you get a nice little smooth texture right there, so me go like this now and roll it like this now. And then I roll it like this now, go like this and put my hand like this and press it out. Press it out. Yeah, press it out, that's it. And then press it out. Yeah, nice. And you know, look good said we are. But don't know, some of them boy like it like this way. Some people like dumpling in a soup like that. And some people like it like this way too. Then some people roll it like that. May have a different way of me roll it sometimes. No? So I press I'm gonna roll it now and then like this now. Boom. Like that. And then a couple more like it said we said treatment. Booms. That one I make nice. Booms. That one is small and nice. That's it. Roll them up down on the spinach. Alright guys, so I drop some of my flour them in that pot. Cause some of them can't hold. This is it. Oh man, I roast them. What? Oh, I'm gonna make a drop off. Roast dumpling, come on. Right color. Roast dumpling, come on. Yeah, good color. Taste them soon. Alright. Let's drop some of these dumplings in the pot. Yeah. So, soon drop in the nougat. You don't know. Soup come along. Have your Irish, pumpkin, dumpling, chicken food, hot pepper, you know, Scotch bonnet pepper root. You know. Look funny. Yo, a bad man. Taste sir. That's it. A bad man. Roast dumpling.
Yeah. More than one.
So guess what I'm going to check for the soup pot and so it look, you know. Ooh. Ooh. Don't know chicken foot look like you want to cook some more. Just a look, me a look on it and see it. Look rich already. I'm gonna drop in now. Rooster noodle yet. Yeah man, look there. Jeez. Alright, time for dropping the rooster noodle. Always show them how you look, always. Show it. Jeez. Rooster noodle time, is it? Always say make sure you look like you look good. So always say make sure it tastes good too. So we're dropping in another rooster noodle. The pepper there in there, man. You know? I know that now. Taste, you know. Tastes good, you forge. Tastes good, man. You want to drink some of this for early? Is it? Come on. Damn good, man. Alien? Yeah, some fear, no, because you're going to love it. You're going to we are catch him, we are catch him. Soup shear. Is it? Alwyn, where it go on? Where it is? Right, man. So your review upon a soup, you know, my general?
Soup bad, man. Soup bad.
Oh, it is. Good?
Pepper, but you want
Two more pepper. Come like you want so. Yeah.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man.
Got it.
No, guess what? Don't worry, I'm gonna pull you. You can't sit by yourself. Right? You ready? No, you don't want to
How's the shot, man?
Don't worry.
Tell her,
Make sure you let go.
You're gonna be behind me.
Yeah, no. Ready? One time. 2, 3. He's gonna swing and come back. Don't worry. Alright, ready for it now. You all ready? You feel it? Yeah, you gotta hold on.
For a long time.
Alright, ready?
I don't know if I can hold on that long.
All of my life, but always with a hand after I
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is
Alright, yeah,
all
take
we
on it
ever
now.
trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Father, help her out there. That one is sweet in her.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
No worry your head, man.
Don't worry about that.
Ease up.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on and on.
Ready? Yeah, man, you're good. Yeah, go hold some of this stuff, right? Don't worry. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
RG.
Finding life along the way, melody